Alright, I'm going to test out how this DJI Mic Mini works with this GoPro Mission 1 Pro. I'm standing in my room up in the second floor, looking straight out the window at my grass. I'm going to try out the sprinklers. I haven't ran it for about 2 or 3 months now because it's been raining a lot in Houston. Now it's stopped raining and it's really hot outside and they need to be watered. So we'll see how it goes. Alright, we're outside now. Let's try this out. Got the GoPro running. Let's try the Rainbird. Before I run it at, full length, I'm just going to test out the pattern if I need to move it around or see if it still works. See if it connects to it. If not, I'll just do a manual override. Hey, it works. I'm gonna do a quick run, 1 minute for all the sprinklers. I usually don't run Zone 7, that's on the side of my house. And by the way, I'm just speaking normally. I'm not very loud. So 1 minute. Run. Should start. Let's see if it works.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
I don't think it's working. Oh yeah, it is. So that's Zone 1. I normally don't water these trees. They have enough. Let's skip number 1. Let's do Zone 2. A bit of grass. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's it. Or not. Come on, skip. Or not. It won't skip. Maybe I'm too far away from the controller. It's Bluetooth. Maybe Wi-Fi sometimes. Come on, update. Here we go. That one needs to be adjusted. This one looks fine. This one's buried. That's fine. Well, cut the grass. Oh my god, that water stinks. Haven't been running in a long time. I probably hit this thing. Oh wait, no, the grass is just pretty long. Hey, not too bad. Alright, now it's gonna do, after this it's gonna do the shrubs. Okay, let's see.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Alright, that looks good. This one looks good. This one looks good. That one looks good. This one is slightly buried. It's because my grass is tall. I mowed it at 4 inches this past Saturday or Sunday. And now it's probably like 7 inches now. The neighbor's lawn, probably like 9 inches of St. Augustine. I'm gonna mow it this weekend. I mow their lawns for them. All right, Zone 4. That one looks good. This one looks good. That one looks good. That one looks good. Oh, also I'm trying out the vibrant mode on this GoPro. I've been using natural mode, so let's see how this works. Looking good so far. Alright, zone 5. That one's good. That one looks good. This one looks good. That one looks good. Alright, zone 5 looks pretty good. We'll wait for zone 6. Yeah, I can see the heat stress, especially here in the backyard. Yeah, I haven't watered for 2 months. It's been raining a lot, but now it looks like we got a heat wave coming in with no rain. So I need to start watering. I'll probably if I have time, I'll probably spray the yard with Dawn or just regular dish soap, just so the water can seep in better. It works wonders. All right, zone 6. Really, I'm worried about the one in the middle. It looks like it's just been buried for a while, so it's pushing out all the grass. Looks pretty good. That one I've repaired already. I dug it up and moved it around. Let's see if it's fine. All right, zone 6 works fine. Zone 7, I don't expect it to really work because I haven't ran it for, well, I don't run it at all because it's always flooding in that zone. Yep. Hopefully this mic is pretty good. I don't want to buy the new GoPro mics. Should be one over here. There it is. Yeah, you sir are buried. Alright, that one's good. That one's okay. Good. This one over here. Yeah, this guy's not working. That one's working. This one's working. This one's clogged. Don't matter. I don't really like this one. See, everything's dead over here because even if I resod it, it just dies in 6 months. It's just not getting enough light. Alright, zone 8 is outside, so let's go out there. These Crocs are squeaking. Zone 8.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Good, good, good. Yeah, zone 7 also sprays here, so I didn't see that. Oh well. Zone 8 looking pretty good. This one's a little clogged. This, yeah, it's because the grass is tall. All right, not bad, not bad. Let's see how this video goes.